Yo, what's up, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brand new YouTube channel that's going to showcase how to build out a 345. It's not enough content going on out there as far as showing how to maximize the power, efficiency, torque, and basically how to make the 345 what you want it to be. I am Pat. Everybody calls me No C. So you can call me No C. It's a short, long story behind that, but whenever you see me out at these meets and these shows, just holler at me as either Pat or No C. Name of the IG channel, make sure you check that out. It's We Are Venom. It's the letter R, so it's W-E, the letter R, Venom 345. Make sure you check that out on IG. Follow that page, trying to get that page built up as well. But I wanted to introduce myself, introduce the car a little bit. Unfortunately, I didn't start this YouTube channel when I started building out this car from when it was bone stock a couple years ago. But what I'm going to do in this particular video, it's kind of an intro to let you see what the progress has been from then to now. I'm going to include a bit of a collage of pictures that I've taken, progress pics, from beginning to where we are now. And this is not the end, so I'm not going to say beginning to end. We are nowhere near the end. We have a lot of great, magnificent, fantastical, new word, just go with it, content that we have coming your way. And you're absolutely going to love it. But I wanted to go ahead and set the intention for what this channel is going to be, what the goals are. And as I'm building this channel up with the support from you guys and girls, from you ladies and gents, from you dogs and cats, from you birds and mice, whoever wants to follow the channel, by all means do so. Like, comment, subscribe, share. The 4 keys to success here. I want to make sure that everyone understands that this is a Mopar channel. I am a gearhead. I personally have been either building or helping build cars since I was knee-high. Ton of experience, but I don't know everything. And that's the beauty of it, is the learning process. So as I'm, giving you guys as much knowledge as I have, I'm going to be learning as well. I've made some mistakes in building cars, and this car specifically as well. Nothing major, thankfully, because of the background that I have and having been able to have so many project cars and build them up and things like that. And but at the end of the day, it's moparornocar. So on this channel, you're going to get 99% Mopar content. And in that 99% of Mopar content, the large majority is not going to be directed at the Hellcats, the Red Eyes, the Demons, the Super Stocks, the 392s. They have their channel. They have their world, channels, I should say. They have their world where, it's much easier to figure out on YouTube or on Google how to do this and this to maximize power from a Hellcat, how to do this and this to a Scat, so forth and so on. Now, we're going to touch on some of those things, specifically why I chose a 345, aka a 5.7, over a 392, which is the 6.4, or the Hellcat, which is the supercharged 6.2. But what we're sitting in right now is a 2015 Dodge Charger RT. When it was bone stock, it was the 5.7 Hemi. It's still the 5.7 Hemi. I haven't stroked it out just yet, and I'm not planning to, because we want to keep it 345. The goal is to show you what you can do for a 345. This is the Godfather motor, and I feel like there's just way too much disrespect for it. And I feel like no shade to anyone. I personally love all Mopars. I don't care if you have a Chrysler 200. I don't care if you have a Dodge Neon that's a 4-banger, non-SRT 4. Shouts out to the SRT 4 Dodge Neon, because that's a monster. If you know, you know. It just doesn't matter to me what kind of Mopar you have. Shouts out to Chrysler 300s. It's a lot of people overlooking the 300s. I'm personally a huge fan of the 300s as well. I myself own a Dodge Magnum. I'm just a Mopar guy that loves cars in general. Not so much Mustangs. So let's just get that out there right now. Ford, it's not what excuse me, just pardon. That's needed a moment. But that's all in good fun too. That's all in good fun. Shouts out to Mustangs and Camaros, and we're going to have some fun on this channel. That's really what it boils down to. We're going to have some fun, but this is specifically targeting those who have a 5.7 and they've been constantly hearing things like, why didn't you just get a Scat? Why didn't you just get a Hellcat? You're not going to be able to do this with a 5.7 or that with a 5.7. As I'm sitting in this vehicle right now, I've already disproven a lot of those myths. And in the videos to come, you know, the next video is going to be a walk around where we look at what's going on with the car, what's the current setup, and then we talk about where we're going from there, what kind of power numbers the car is putting down. But for those that have already seen Venom at meets, have already had conversations with me, shouts out to people like Hemi Life 44, Racer X, and some of the other more popular Mopar channels that or car channels that have, you know, spoken with me at meets and just gotten some information about the car and you know, featured and are looking to feature, and shouts out to that, because it looks like this is going to be something that that takes off. And that's my goal, is to show those who have the 5.7 that there's no reason for you to feel like little brother. You're not little brother. You have so much potential in this motor, in this car, in this build, and a lot of you just don't know what direction to go, and you don't know, you know, how to tap into it, and you know, should I boost it? Should I keep it naturally aspirated? What kind of cam should I get? Should I get a cam? What kind of exhaust should I run? Should I delete my cat? Should I go straight pipe? Should I do a custom exhaust, etc., so forth and so on? And we're going to get all the way down to the details, you know, what are O2 extenders, and you know, how do they work, and things like that. I mean, we're really going to get into it. But for this particular video, just wanted to introduce myself, introduce the car. 2015 Dodge Charger RT, started as bone stock. I am the second owner. I've had this car for just under 3 years, and I've just built it out as a project. So we've done it in phases, and we're moving on to another phase. And as far as what the power is already, we're already way past what 392s are putting out. And at this point, we're creeping up on Hellcats, and we're already keeping up with Hellcats in road races and things like that. So, but we'll get into the details of that in the next video. Again, this is more the introduction, what the goal of the channel is, who this channel is for, and we're going to take it from there. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the progress pics so you get an idea of where the car started versus where it is right now. And then stay tuned. Next video, we're going to do the walk around. We're going to start talking about some of these mods, some of these power adders, some of these custom pieces that I have on the vehicle, so you can start to kind of get an idea of the direction that I'm going with it and what my end game is for it. But we are far from the end game. So welcome to the We Are, with the letter R, Venom 345 YouTube channel. Make sure you go to Instagram, follow, like, share that particular account as well. It is also We Are, with the letter Venom 345. Make sure, as far as this channel is concerned, you like this video, you subscribe, you share this video, you comment on this video, spread the word to everybody who has the 5.7 and wants to know how to build this up. You're about to find out how. To everyone who wants to know what the potential is for this motor, you're about to find out. For everyone who has to deal with questions of why didn't you get the Scat, or why didn't you do, you're about to have a lot of ammunition to point to and say, that's why I got the 5.7. That's why I got the 345. And a lot of it, sometimes it's just affordability, right? Lower insurance costs, lower cost of the overall car. But regardless of if you chose it because of a financial decision, or if you're like me and it wasn't a financial decision, it was because you're a builder and you like, you know, showing what the vehicle can do, and you want to tap into the potential that others might think simply isn't there, and they're wrong. So we're going to show you why they're wrong. So again, like, comment, subscribe, share. I am Pat. You can call me No C. I am sitting in Venom. We are Venom 345. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You see how that goes? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out the Instagram as well. I'll see you guys and you gals and you dogs and you cats and you birds and you mice. I'll see you in the next video. All right? Salute. We out.